my name is Satya. I am going to tell you how to take engine oil sample from an engine. So before I proceed, I want to convey you what are the parts of a sampling kit. As you can see, this is a 100 ml bottle which you will be connecting to the pump, which I'll tell you later. This is 250 ml bottle which is used for collecting sample. So this is the bottle in which you collect the sample. This is the inner cap and be ensured that you have tied this bottle enough so that oil should not spill while couriering or while handling. This is the top cover. You need to cover this bottle very tightly. Okay. The next part will be labeling this engine oil sample. If you do not label this sample, that doesn't mean you can't say which vehicle this sample resembles. So if you and this is the stickers which you need for pasting on these bottles, like in this way. Okay. Suppose if you do not have sticker, you should mention with a pen over the bottles like vehicle number and the engine kilometer. This is the sampling pump. This is the most important part of our sampling kit. This way you have to just like a holy pichkari, you can say. There is a O-ring. This is a black color O-ring. You must ensure that this ring should be present in the pump on one side. This side will be, you will be connecting the small bottle which I showed you. I'll show you. So this is the small bottle which you need to connect this pump, and you should tight it properly. Okay. The next end of the pump, you can see there is a bolt. So I'm opening it, but I just suggest you not to open it entirely. You can see there is a O-ring, black color O-ring. You can see. So if this ring is very, it's very important. So you need to care it very carefully, handle it very carefully. Okay. So just untighten it a bit, and with the one end of the sampling pipe, you just insert 4-5 inches into the bottle and tight it. This is done. Now I am going to explain you how to take engine oil sample from the engine itself. When you open the bonnet of the engine, you can see there is a dipstick on the top right corner of the engine. So you need to just untie and remove the dipstick. It will be 1 meter, approx 1 meter in length. So in that dipstick hole, you need to insert this pipe. So this pipe will go till to the length of the dipstick. Once this pipe is inserted, so you have to just move this pump. So you can feel you have to apply a bit pressure so that oil is coming from this bottle. You can see like oil is coming from this way. Once this bottle is filled, you just stop the pumping and you just open it slowly and fill in the bottle which you have provided for collecting sample.